and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin, another Honda 50. This is a deluxe model, so it's a metallic paint, which you'll probably see a bit clearer now today in the sun. You'll see the shimmering coming through in the paint itself. Exceptionally good condition with very low mileage. Front tyre is perfect. Front mudguard is really good. You'll see the kind of shimmering coming through in the metallic paint there. Front forks, really good condition. The actual leg shields are really good, no signs of yellowing or anything like that, really clear. Up over the top then, 12,000 kilometers only. Again, see the shimmering in the metallic green paint up over the top. Instrument clusters, really good condition. Exceptionally good condition little bike. Up underneath then, again, I mean, how much cleaner do you want? Really clean Honda 50 here. Under then, onto the side panels, no marks to make note of at all. Slight bit of rubbing on the engine area on the left hand side. Side stand and chain gear. Like, I don't know if you've ever seen a chain guard as clean as this. I mean, it's quite exceptional for a bike of this age. Going on to the rear then, we have original indicators and brake light. 1997 bike. Rear again, rear mudguard really good, very maybe minor signs of a little bit of a nick underneath there. Rear tire is good. The Goshi Honda exhaust, again, immaculate condition. Still have even the rubbers from factory on the rear brake here. Seat in perfect condition. Everything down this right hand side really good, and up over the top then again, I mean, it's going to be a fairly short one because there's absolutely nothing to point out on this bike, so we'll just go from this now into the ride along. Okay, so we're on to the 1997 Honda C50 DLX. Should be as simple as turning the ignition and giving her a kick. There we go, first kick, and that's completely cold. Let's give her a rev or two, and away we go. So the next two bikes here are going to be fairly similar in the little Honda 50s. Or a run around, see what she's like. It just got off the little cub now, so feels a bit taller than the little cub, but nothing too major. Speed wise feels fairly similar. Now we're just going to turn right out of here. Does get repetitive, this little run, but it's all we can do in the time. If I go out into the what I used to do is I used to go out into the main roads there, but the traffic would just kill me, and it would take me 25 minutes to do a bike, and it just wasn't practical, because I know these bikes are great, the YouTube videos are fantastic, I would get compliments all the time with them, but I would like to go out and do kind of more main road stuff, and more kind of involving stuff out on the main roads, but it just isn't practical for us. It would take each bike over an hour to do. We just don't have the time in the day to be able to do that, but this is pretty much good enough, especially with these 50s. You get this uphill here and also the downhill. Let me just tighten this around here as we go up. There we go. A masterclass in mirror tightening, as you can see. I'm well used to it, riding and doing it at the same time. Now we brake and do into the turnabout. So all in all, everything feeling great, going through all the gears, really smart. Feels great on the road, gears feel very solid, plenty of speed, carburetor's nice, fueling feels good. No jumpiness throughout. Let me just lift my visor, a bit of an itch on the nose. Sorry if you hear some wind there, but yeah, all in all, very good. Yeah, but I'll go back to what I was saying with the out in the road. It just isn't practical for us to go out on the road and spend all that time out there, and to be honest, most of it is just spent in traffic rather than anything else. But as we're coming up to the end now, I'll point out something which we get pointed out to a lot from our Japanese spec Honda C50s and C90s. You see this little light here on the dash? That'll flash red once you hit around 40 kilometers an hour. That's just to tell you that you're reaching the speed limit in Japan of 45 kilometers an hour. So they just have strict speed limits over there. It's just something to remind you. It's probably something to do with laws, who knows, but it's not that your engine is about to implode, which we get a lot of people that have those thoughts. So let me just brake here. It's in neutral now, very easy to find. Put it on the main stand, we go through the indicators and so on. So left indicator here, rear left indicator, rear right indicator, and the front right indicator there as well. It's all working with the low beam and high beam. So low beam and high beam working as well. It's hard to see in the sun, but they are there. And we'll have a look at the rear brake as well. Rear brake working perfectly as well. So I'll just turn off the indicator now, get a picture for the thumbnail on YouTube, and go through the usuals. If you do want to find us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. So if you have liked the video on this little C50 Deluxe, please do leave a like. Also comment below on what you think of these little C50s. And finally, if you haven't already, a subscription to the channel would be greatly appreciated for more motorcycle content like this in the future. Thank you for watching.